Tag T.
Yeah. Look. Look, Tuskegee, for real, I give you all of me, but we probably gon' need your help, cause you know ain't no YNT. This is real, no make-believe. It's time to rebuild this dream. We gotta take the city back and give it to my kings and queens. We tired of asking, we doing it now. Shout out to everyone holding us down. If you don't like it, then don't come around. Stop at a hating, boy, don't make a sound. Keep sleeping on us when we running the town. Your ruling is over, now give us the crown. I gotta know why you riding and out, no more going in circles, no riding around, yeah. And just like Jeezy, we put on for our city. And if you trying to go against us, then we show you no pity. We don't care how long it takes, ain't no stopping us really. And if you think we slowing down, then you gotta be silly. Let's go. Tuskegee, 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 it's time to rebel. Tuskegee, 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 it's time to rebel. Tuskegee, 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 this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 for you I always will. Tuskegee, Tuskegee.
01 02 00 00 0.
So this one is just land, it's landlocked, which means it's like surrounded, by all land, so you can't really get to it. So I wouldn't recommend this property, but like just for like teaching purposes, what you can do is click on that like inside the square, and then it's gonna like search the registry. Wait, can you read that one? What's up, everybody? So this past Tuesday was a Macon County tax auction, and at this tax auction, the black community showed up and showed out.
Alright, tell me how your experience was today. The tax auction.
Today was a great experience for me. I haven't heard anything about a tax auction, and thank God I connected with Rebuild Tuskegee.
Your taxes?
400.
400. $400. 500.
Why do you think this is important?
Oh, this is important because we have to, it's our responsibility to take responsibility for our communities. So, if we have homes that are dilapidated, if we have homes that just go into the care of the state, ownership of the state, of Alabama, of California, of wherever you live, especially if it's in your community and it's not that, much money comparatively to purchasing a home, just like, regular way. It's important. Like, you got to get your own. Like, you have to support your community and build up your community. Buy back your block, build up the block, and you can make change.
Why do you think it's important for us to invest right now?
I think now is more important than ever to invest. We're really seeing a shift in paradigm in the world right now. And, property ownership is something that people can never take away from you. Property, as we all know, is something that they're not making more of. So if we want to establish the community and type of things that we want to see, we have to first and foremost have the land, own the land, and control the land. So this is just a chance for somebody to kind of get right in and start doing that right away.
Okay. As an investor yourself, what do you want to share to other people who's like trying to get started?
I just say go for it. Do your homework. Save your money, and just look at real estate for what it is. It's an asset. It's something that is only gonna improve your overall portfolio, improve your financial situation, and use it to your advantage.
I really want to say more than anything is how I am so happy to see so many black people, a lot of young black people, buy multiple properties, buy great masses of land. And so that's motivation for me to continue to look around for property, and motivation for you as well, because we need this land. They're fighting for our land, so this is something that we have to take seriously. If you don't own it, you can't really. Ownership is something that we all need to seriously think about. We can't be going renting from time to time. We got to think of something for generations to come. So if you ain't owned anything yet, let's try to own today. I'm in. Are you in? Hey, Jaslyn. So tell me, what is your feedback on today's event at the auction?
First off, I want to say shout out to Aaliyah for organizing this and just bringing us together. in terms of making this awareness. Like, you know, we've been knowing about the tax auctions, and I've actually, you know, bought a piece of property, land from the tax auction too. But it was just so amazing to see so many young people, so many people come together and actually learn about this tax auction, learn how to invest, and then even more actually invest. Like, this is power. This is building power.
So in all, the black community, we spent over $130,000 in tax properties over a course of a few hours, right? So tax properties, it goes towards paying the funding for schools, for roads, for everything that the community needs. So we are putting our hard-earned money back into our black community, and that's what it's all about. So if you have the money, if you have the funds, or if you want the experience, come out next year. It's usually every April, but because of COVID-19, I had to get pushed back to this June. But come in, show up, show out, and, you know, let's fight in solidarity.
Just cause we don't think like you do, then they call us a rebel. We tired of the ordinary, this is something special. See, this was already in God's plan, we are just some vessels. Tuskegee, man, it's time to start rebuilding. Yeah, holla if you hear me, if you
group economics. You fight back with healing yourself. You fight back with spending your money with your own people. You fight back with getting out their system. You fight back with teaching your children. This is how you fight back. You don't fight back with throwing rocks. That's how you get your ass killed. Come on, y'all gotta use your brain. I love y'all, but y'all gotta use your out there breathless like a chicken with his head cut off. That's not how you fight back. Fight back, you spend your money with your own people. Y'all organize, y'all strategize, y'all come together, y'all make a plan, y'all get some land.